Let's look at how you can set up your shipping options and shipping costs. So I'm in the admin, I'm going to go into Shop, Setup, and into the Shipping Options menu. And in here, you can add as many shipping options as you like. We pre-configure it just with one, just with USPS. If you're in the US, that's the most popular one, but you can add in whatever you like. You can add in FedEx and UPS. If you're in Canada, you can add in Canada Post, Purolator. You could add things specific to your country. You could add something like pickup if you want to offer your clients the option to collect their orders directly from your office. So add in as many as you want for your clients to be able to choose the different options during the checkout. If you are in the US and you're using USPS, you do have an option to use a built-in USPS shipping calculator. So it calculates based on the weight and the dimensions of the products that your clients are ordering. It calculates the exact shipping costs to their exact location wherever in the world you're shipping to. If you want to do that, there's a separate video where we look at that, so watch that video when you finish watching this one. But in this one, we're going to set up some fixed shipping costs for, we're just going to take this one, USPS, for example. Like I said, add as many as you want, but let's pick this and let's set up some fixed shipping costs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up the shipping option settings. And in here, up at the top, you can add in the fixed shipping cost for your home country and for all other regions. Let's just say, it doesn't matter what you enter. As an example, let's say I want to charge $5.99 for any order within my home country, if I'm in the US, within the US. And if I'm shipping to any other country, I want to charge, just as an example, $12.50. So from now on, anyone ordering within your home country gets charged this amount. Any other countries or regions gets charged this amount. The second thing you have is you have an option to offer various discounts on the shipping. Let's say, for example, you want to offer free shipping or a discounted shipping after clients order a certain amount of products. You have three options: a product number, so how many different products they order. If they order 3 different products or more, then they will get the discount. You can add what we call a quantity threshold. If they order at least 10 units, 10 pieces, doesn't matter if it's one product with 10 units of that one product or 5 different products, 2 units of each. If they meet this total quantity, they get the discount. Or the most popular one is a value. If they order more than $100, whatever your local currency is, then they get the discount. Let's do that. Let's say anyone who orders more than $100 will get a discount. And then in these 2 boxes, we can enter the discounted amount. If you want to offer free shipping, just enter 0. Maybe we want to offer slightly discounted, so within the home country, $2.99, and abroad, $10. So that's all you need to do to set up the shipping costs. I've set up my standard shipping costs, and I'm going to save it. From now on, anyone ordering based on where they are or which region they're shipping to will get charged the correct shipping costs. There is one option you have to override it. So first of all, before we do that, if you see the little hint under here, it says set your home country and admin shop, set up regions. Let's do that. So let's go into shop, setup, and regions. On this demo website, I've got, I think, most of the Canadian and US regions, states, and provinces in here. And by default on your website, it's probably going to be set to the US as the home region. Let's have a look at that. Let's just search for United States. So that is set as your home region. Let's say you're somewhere else, you're in Canada, you want to change the home region. Simply find the different region, open it up. And to set it as your home, open up the region settings and simply say it is the home region. Save it, it will set that as your home. I'm not actually going to do that now. What I'm going to do, since I'm in here already, is I'm going to set a separate individual shipping cost just for this region. So I set up the $5.99, the $12.50, $5.99 for my home region, $12.50 for everywhere else in the world. I'm going to say just to Canada, I'm going to ship for, let's say, $7.99. And I'm going to save it. So what happens now? Anyone who orders and ships within the US gets charged $5.99. Anyone who orders and chooses Canada gets charged this individual amount of $7.99 that I've set in the region to override the main shipping costs. And anyone who orders and ships anywhere else in the world gets charged the $12.50. So I hope this makes sense. In the same way, like I said at the beginning, you can set up as many different shipping options as you want, with shipping costs for each option. And then you can even come into the regions and set, like we have the individual cost here for Canada. You can even set individual costs for individual states, provinces, any countries, any regions that you want to ship to. You can set it up exactly the way that you want it.